Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to request a new debit card from Aspiration. If you don't have an Aspiration account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and receive a welcome bonus of up to $300. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your avatar icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the avatar icon. Then an option for settings will appear. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for debit card management. Click on Debit Card Management. Then here, you will see an option for Report a Lost/Stolen Credit Card. Click on Report a Lost/Stolen Credit Card. Now, select the current status of your debit card. Then review the address and make sure it's correct. If everything's good, click on Send My Replacement Card. That's how you request a new debit card from Aspiration. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.